god!
Oh boys, you know, I am class basically.
I'm doing it this time. You have.
Well, alright, look what I decided to make. And look at me set it off. Yeah, I've got no hair. Yeah, I'm risking burning my 4 hairs off.
You too, full
I
of
should
shit.
have 1 hair left by the end of the day.
I didn't put it.
But I'm happy.
I'm getting well back. Right, how do you do that? I'm gonna prop this up for you.
Right, so I'm teaching Gareth how to be a master.
Stick it into a potato. The fuck!
Oh my god!
I was not expecting that.
First time, it just... Oh, put that in there.
For good measures, go on.
I'll do.
Bit more,
Oh, this one's gonna be...
I'll do.
This one's gonna be stinking, William. Where's the lighter?
This one's gonna go.
Ready?
Right, let's get
my
back.
safety with this one, 'cause it's so tightly packed.
That's what she said.
It's nice knowing you, like. Cheers. Bye, cheers.
Did anyone hear that?
Oh! Boom!
Fuck me.
Oh shit.
Right.
Go on. You got it.
It didn't go that far.
That's pretty good though.
I made a great noise though.
I think my way.
Don't do that! If I shit myself